Are you stuck in a Snapchat login loop, constantly seeing that frustrating SS06 error code? Don't worry, we've got you covered. This common issue usually means Snapchat can't verify your login. The first and simplest thing to check is your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is strong and stable. Or if you're on mobile data, ensure you have a good signal. Try turning your Wi-Fi or mobile data off and on again. Next up, let's make sure you're running the latest version of the app. Developers frequently release updates to fix bugs and improve performance. And an outdated app can definitely cause login hiccups. Head over to your app store, search for Snapchat, and hit that update button if one is available. Once the app is updated, try logging in again. Sometimes all it takes is this simple refresh. If you're still encountering the SS06 error after checking your connection and updating the app, it might be time to clear some space and refresh Snapchat's data on your device. This can often resolve underlying conflicts on Android. You'll typically find this in your phone's settings, under apps, then Snapchat, and then storage, where you can clear cache and data for iPhone users. You can uninstall and reinstall the app to achieve a similar effect. Remember, uninstalling on iPhone will remove cache and data. If none of those steps have worked, it's time to reach out to the Snapchat support team directly. They have the tools to investigate account-specific issues that might be causing the SS06 error. Visit the Snapchat support website and look for their contact options. They'll likely ask for your username, the error code you're seeing, and details about when the problem started. By systematically checking your connection, updating the app, and if necessary, contacting support, you should be able to get back into your Snapchat account in no time.